So y'all ever have a set of aftermarket headlamps on your Cat Eye Chevy? You're driving around, just minding your business. And then you hit a pothole and then, oops, my blinker fell out. Well, dang it. Let's do a quick fix for that. Now what usually causes this is there's this plastic guide clip in here, and then the aftermarket blinker lights just don't have enough clip here. Like the factory one's a lot stronger, more quality piece, but it just clips into there. You guide your parking lamp in there and then you click it back into place, but you can just tell, like, no problem at all. So yeah, this sucks. You can't have that going down the road. It looks stupid. So a little hack that I did with my 04 is I use a zip tie, throw it in through here, drill a little hole right in this piece that you're never gonna see. She good. First off, pull your headlamp little bar out and pull your light out. I have a Diode Dynamics LED kit, which, by the way, very nice stuff, very slim, no need to hack up that. Let's take these out, and there's your housing. Made in China. Okay, yeah, there's a light smoke housing, but let's do our little fix here. So there's that part right there. I'm gonna drill a small hole through. Get a little pilot started here. Then bump it up just a little more. And go nice and easy. Let's try to move her out. Perfect. So I got some 14-inch zip ties. They'll be perfect. What we'll want to do is finagle it somehow to bend down and come out that hole. You can probably even just do this, because you can actually stick your finger back here and push it out toward you. Maybe. It's been a while since I've done this. You can tell I'm being honest. Instead, let's get some nettle nose pliers. There we go. Oh, look at that. And we're gonna start it and then stop. Plug your blinker aiders right back in. All right, so now with your bulbs plugged back in, this is the trick. You're gonna get that hooked into the hook, and then with this, once you're clicked in place, you're gonna cinch it down, and that's gonna tighten the load, and that'll prevent your the fixture from popping out. Little tricky to show, but it's common, easy. So now it's hooked onto place, right? So now, again, you just gotta guide that piece into where it goes. Then this end gets put into that hole. And then from in here, we can grab that zip tie and cinch it down. And then from in here, we can grab that zip tie and cinch it down. Just about there. So I'll show you all what I'm doing. Just grab your zip tie, cinch her down. We got a 14-inch zip tie, so there's gonna be a lot of room. So now it's popped out like that. Just gotta fit it in. I'll do it with both hands so I don't break nothing. And once you get that piece fitted up in, it could be necessary to pop this out, the grill wing, whatever you want to call it, and they'll, you know, just cinch that down in there, and at that point, you know, your light ain't really coming out. Then once that's back in, you can utilize a cutting device, get rid of that, get your grill wing back in. Is she good, yo? Well, as goes with the reinstallation of your headlamp, if most everybody knows these cat eye headlamps have little indents they go inside of. And with the way the lamp is shaped, you like go on that way. And all of those tabs under there, of course, just has to line up in here where you can throw your little stopper rod. And there you go. Just like that. No more light popping out. It's gonna dance because it's a Chinese piece of junk, but yeah. Ain't gonna fall out now. Not that easily. I just gotta repeat to the other side. Alright, there you have it, everybody. Quick, easy, at-home method. Get your parking lamps to not fall out anymore on your cat eye. They're still going to dance because they're made in China, but they're not going to pop out when you hit a pothole. So hopefully this video was helpful to some of you out there. If you like what you saw and want to see more, please subscribe. Take care. Have a good one, everybody.